Hey creative friends, well tonight I am messing around with NFC tags again, and I've got a quick experiment for you. Let's take this tag and let it get to our sports scores as quick as possible. And so this tag, whenever we scan it with a smartphone, it's going to take us straight to a website that will keep up with the season, and that way we can follow the scores as they come in. We can see who the Tennessee Titans are playing. And what's really cool about this website, it's very, very simple, so it comes up real fast. And the Titans are currently playing as we speak. And so there's a link here. This website is pretty cool. It's giving you some real-time statistics, just some simple graphics about the play of the game currently, and then some real neat stats. So I don't know who creates this site, but it's really, really cool. So check that out if you've never heard of it. plaintechsports.com. So anyway, what I want to do is I want to show you how to do this. The plaintechsports.com actually allows you to keep up with a lot of different sports, not just NFL football. So let's say like we currently have been watching a lot more international soccer lately. So the Premier League over in England, so lots of really cool soccer games, and of course they're football. And so let's say that we are going to be following our favorite team this season, the Nottingham Forest. And so this tag is blank. All I've done is put a name on it. And so we can go down here to their Premier League, their clubs, and Nottingham Forest is down here. And so again, we'll be able to keep up with their schedule as it unfolds, and be able to kind of come in real quickly and take a look at which ones they won. And so anyway, whenever you find a favorite sports team, just note down the URL. And so that URL is the trick. All we're going to do is we're going to set up the tag to point to a specific URL. And so I have done this. It's easier to see it on a computer, to see that full URL that's up there at the top. But you want to take this full URL, and that's what you're going to use to plug into your tag. So I have already copied that out. I've got it out here in a notes app. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this text and I'm going to copy that so that it's in my clipboard. And then we need to write that information to this blank tag. And so there are some wonderful tools out there that will do that for you. Of course, I use Tasker a lot, but that's an app you have to pay for. So instead, tonight, I'm going to go in and use one called NFC Tools. And so there is a free version of NFC Tools, and that will be just fine for this experiment. All right, and so really all we have to do is we're going to go to Write. We're going to add a record, and we want to make sure that we use the third one down. It's the second one that talks about a URL. That way it actually goes to the link. It clicks on a URL link for you. And so we're going to go to that, and then this is where we're going to paste what we've copied. And so the website is going to be for Nottingham Forest on this plain text sports website. So we've got the full URL in there. We're going to click OK. And then all we have to do is we're going to write that information to a tag. And so it just tells us to approach the tag. Be careful you don't overwrite one you've already got. But we're going to approach the tag, and very quickly and easily it writes that information. So we say OK. Then we're ready to test it. So we're gonna close out of really all the main apps. We can close out of this Notes app now as well. And so I'm back to just my default phone. Your phone has to be on. So you've got to be already logged into your phone. Your phone has to be on before it responds to tags. And so we for Apple phones, it's up near the top. For Android phones, it tends to be in the middle. And so we just hold our phone over that, and there we go. This tag takes me to Nottingham Forest schedule, and this tag will take me to Tennessee Titans schedule. So very quick and easy to get to your favorite sports team stats. So thanks so much for watching, and check out my playlist for a couple of other great ideas for projects for NFC tags. Thanks for watching.